Hey guys, how you doing today? So I have a 2020 Kia Telluride, and I'm about to put front and rear brakes on this car, and there's a lot of scan tools that will not retract the rear calipers so that you can put rear brakes on. So a lot of people are taking off the actuator, manually turning it back, which is definitely an option. But if you do your own maintenance, you really need to have a scan tool so that you can work not only on Kia, but on anything else that you may own, or a friend or a neighbor or a coworker. Well, I've got 6 scan tools priced from about $120 up to about $600 that we're going to test and see if they will retract the rear calipers on this 2020 Kia Telluride. And let me show you what we've got. Okay, guys, so here's what we've got. We've got the Vdiagtool D200. The D100 will do the same thing. This is a phone-based scan tool. You pair your phone to the VCI, and you do everything off the phone after you download the app. We're going to see if it'll work. This is the Ancel D100. It's a corded tool. I don't have the cord plugged on it right now, but we're going to see if it'll work. This is the Launch CRP 919 XBT. The EBT is the same identical scan tool. We're going to see if it'll work. Here's the Thinkcar 689 BT. We're going to connect it up and see how it does. This is the Xtool D8W. We're going to connect it and see how it does. And then we've got the Otofix D1. So we're going to see if it'll do it. So let me get this set up. All right, guys, so this scan tool supports quite a few special functions. Let me hit update. I'm just going to scroll through and let you take a look. ABS bleeding, I saw. Window initialization. Seat calibration. It supports a lot. So I've already downloaded the electronic parking brake, which is right here. We're going to hit it. We're going to hit Asia. There's Kia. We'll do automatic detection. This is a USA Kia. It's detected the car. We'll hit OK. Brake pad change. Now, if this works, we're going to be able to hear the rear brakes retract. Hopefully you just heard that. So now we'd be able to push the piston in and put pads on it and then reset the brake pads on this particular car. The way you reset them is you just use the electronic parking brake switch in the car. So you'd get in and go ahead and set the parking brake, and it will actuate the drive screw, which pushes the piston back against the caliper. So the Vdiag tool worked as expected. So that's good. This is about $120. So this is probably going to be the cheapest scan tool that I know of that's capable of doing that. I've got a couple other phone-based scan tools that would not do this. All right, guys, I've got my extension cable hooked up. So let me get, let's see, we'll go over here. We'll try maintenance first. We're going to go to brake pad reset, electronic parking brake. This is USA area. Special functions, brake pad change. Okay. Hopefully you're hearing that. Worked like a champ. This tool is about 120 bucks, 130. So it was able to do it. Let me get the next one hooked up. All right, guys, so the next one's going to be the Thinkcar 689 BT. The MooCar 892 BT uses the same software, so if this one will do it, the 892 will also do it. Let's get connected here. Okay, so we are going to hit special functions, brake pad replacement. It's ID'd the VIN, USA area, hit OK. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. Hopefully you're hearing it. So it did work. So the Thinkcar or the Mookar will indeed retract the parking brakes on this 2020 Kia. Let me get the next one set up. Okay guys, so this is the Launch CRP 919 XBT, the EBT, same exact scan tool. So we're going to come over here to service functions. We will find the brake reset. Hit OK. VIN has been detected. It is a USA area, a Kia. Electronic parking brake. Special function, brake pad change. Hit OK. And there we go. So the Launch did it. And just so you understand why I'm doing this, because Kia, starting in about 2020 or 2019, they made it very difficult for scan tools to be able to do this function. So a lot of people are under the impression that you cannot do it unless you buy Kia's proprietary software. Okay guys, so we've got the Xtool D8W. We're going to go into special functions. Look for electronic parking brake. We'll go to Kia. We'll just do manual selection. We're going to do, you know what? No, let's go automatic detection. It is a USA version of Kia. Brake pad change mode. And there it goes. So it did it. All right, guys, I also wanted to show you the Kingbolen K8 Pro. We're going to see if it'll do it. I'm going to just go into maintenance. We're going to find brake pad reset. Hit OK to that. And I've got more expensive scan tools. They'll all do it. The Launch X431 will do it. The Xtool D9 will do it. We'll hit Kia. Did detect the VIN. USA. You can see a lot of these scan tools have kind of the same interface. Special functions, brake pad change mode. We'll hit OK. And there it goes. So the Kingbolen K8 was able to do it also. So there's 7 scan tools that I think are very reasonably priced. All right, guys, so I almost forgot about the Otofix. So let's take a look at it. We're going to go into service. Electronic parking brake. It did, that was a VIN detection menu. Hit OK. Kia USA. Yes. Should be under hot functions. Electronic parking brake. Brake pad replacement guide. Assembly check. ECU replacement. Brake pad change mode. That's where it should be. I'm going to hit OK. And there it goes. Hopefully hear that. Okay. So there you have it, the Otofix. This is what, 7 different scan tools that was able to retract the parking brake on this Kia. Now the reason I'm showing this is because Kia's made it difficult, and there's still a lot of scan tools that can't do this. Any of your scan tools that's roughly about $600 or more should be able to do it. My D9S will do it. My Launch X431 Elite will do it. And I've got some other scan tools that'll do it, but I wanted to show about 6 or 7 of them, ranging from about $120 on up, that will do this. I highly recommend that if you're working on your own vehicles, you need to get a scan tool. A scan tool is just like having a wrench set or a socket set nowadays. In order to be able to see what's going on, you need to be able to have a decent scan tool to scan your vehicle, look at trouble codes, look at some live data, things like that. Not to mention retract parking brakes just so you can put brake pads on. Anyway, we're done. This was just a demonstration of retracting the parking brake on newer Kia vehicles. You guys take care.